in the wake of Bloody Sunday.
Yeah.
Are things going to have to get much worse before they get any better? What is going to break, in your opinion, this moral failing, this deadlock?
I don't know, but let me put it this way. We may not be able to carry this vote tomorrow or on Wednesday. But if we don't carry it on Wednesday, then we get back up on Thursday and get right back in the fight. And if we don't carry it on Thursday, then we get back in the fight on Friday, and we get back in the fight on Saturday, and we get back in the fight on Sunday.